speaking and listening, elementary to intermediate. Let's talk about houses. Welcome back, learners. Are you ready for an engaging journey through the heart of your home? This isn't your typical English class. It's a vibrant conversation waiting to unfold. Pause, reflect, and dive into 18 thought-provoking questions about your sanctuary. Where do you live? What makes your house a home? This worksheet isn't just a set of questions, it's your passport to expressing your world. Feel free to download the accompanying PDF below, a canvas for perfecting your answers. Ready to embark? Let's talk about homes and houses. Where do you live? Do you live in a house or a flat? Describe your house or flat. How many rooms are there in your house? Name them. What is there in your living room? Name as many things as you can. What do you do there? What is there in your bedroom? Name as many things as you can. What time do you usually go to bed? What is there in your kitchen? Name as many things as you can. What do you do there? What is there in your bathroom? Name as many things as you can. What do you do there? What is there in your garden? Name as many things as you can. What do you do there? What is there in your garage? Name as many things as you can. What do you do there? Do you prefer living in a house or an apartment? Explain why. Do you prefer living in the city or the country? Explain why. Are you in favor of renting or buying a house? Explain why. How much does an average house or flat cost where you live? Where do people get the money to buy one? Who does the housework in your family? What do they do? Give some reasons why people can become homeless. How many kinds of houses can you name? How many times have you moved house? Did you enjoy it? Make a list of important things to look for when buying or renting a house. Well, while you're at home, look up those idioms and write down their meanings. Home, sweet home. Home is where the heart is. A man's home is his castle. Until the cows come home. Charity begins at home. Bring home the bacon. Feel free to download the accompanying PDF